Hello, in front of you I've got LG Q6. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, open Settings, then go to Display. In here we've got several options. For example, font type. Here you can change the font type and font size. You can also change font to bold and upscaling. These options can scale your apps to the full size. You can change display size and add comfort view. Reduce eye strain with less blue light on the screen. You can set the brightness or set automatic brightness. You can turn on auto rotate screen. And set screen timeout from 15 seconds to 15 minutes, or keep screen turned on. Also, you can modify your home touch button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.